Students, today we will begin our poem Why, that is Unit 3, 3.1. We will start the portion after Diwali, that means the second session portion, and the first poem is Why. So, let me tell you one thing. In our childhood days, there are so many questions in our mind on which we could not get the answer that time. But now, when we are in 8th standard, so many questions are now answered or solved by us. For example, previously in our childhood days, we don't know why the sun is rise at the east and set at the west. In the childhood days, we do not know when we are traveling why the trees are going backward to us. In our childhood days, we don't know why the moon, where does the moon hide itself during the daytime. There are so many questions, but now in standard 8, many questions are solved by our geography subject, and that's why so many questions are related with our life nowadays. Also, there are so many questions still unsolved in our life. For example, why the penguins lies in only polar region? Why the penguins lies only in polar region? We know that on the earth there are so many countries on which we can find the temperature below 0 degrees Celsius. That means there are always snowfall on the countries. But the penguins always live in polar region, not the other countries. There are so many questions still remain in our mind. We could not get the answers. So this time, before beginning this poem Why, we will take the activities given in chit chat and warming activities. Chit chat. So in chit chat activities, there are some sentences given to us, and we have to find out or choose the WH word given in the bracket to complete the question. For example, the first point is blank is the capital of Maharashtra. Blank is the capital of Maharashtra. We know that what is the capital of Maharashtra? We say the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. So the answer should be Mumbai in the bracket. But we have to choose the WH word in given above words. So when we have to complete these questions, blank is the capital of Maharashtra. We know that Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. So Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. But which word we have to taken from these WH words? We know that what is the capital of Maharashtra, and then we will get the answer Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. So for taking or preparing, framing the WH questions, we have to take help of these 7 WH word, and the last one is possessive one, that is the 8 WH word. So let us understand which word will be taken on which circumstances. कोणत्या प्रसंगासाठी, कोणत्या शब्दासाठी कोणता वर्ड आपल्याला घ्यायचा आहे तो आज आपण समजून घेणार आहे. इफ द अंडरलाइन पोर्शन इज द सब्जेक्ट, वी हॅव टू टेक द वर्ड हू. जर आपल्याला कर्त्याच्या खाली अंडरलाइन असेल, हू घ्यायचं. अँड व्हेन द अंडरलाइन पोर्शन इज अन ऑब्जेक्ट, वी हॅव टू टेक व्हॉट. अंडरलाइन पोर्शन इज और द आन्सर इज गिवन इंडिकेटिंग टाइम, that is we have to take when. Then answer is indication of place, we have to take where. Answer is the indication of reason, we have to take why. Answer is the indication of adverb, adjective or process of anything, process of working, we have to take how. If the answer is the choice of many things, that is the number of adjective plus noun, we have to take the pair of adjective plus noun. So we will take which one? Then if the personal pronoun or possessive noun is given, that is the apostrophe of s. So we will take the WH word whose. So this is the important chart. We need to remember that which WH word will be taken on which circumstances. तर आपल्याला सांगायचं होतं की आपल्याला हा जो टॉपिक आहे तो WH वर्डला चूज करताना ज्या पोर्शन आपल्याला उत्तरामध्ये आणायचा असेल तो पोर्शन आपल्या प्रश्नामध्ये येणार नाही. आणि म्हणून आपल्याला काय केलं ऍक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये की ब्रॅकेटमध्ये आपल्याला आन्सर दिलाय पुस्तकात, आणि आपल्याला असा एक WH वर्ड टाकायचा आहे जेणेकरून तो प्रश्न आपला कसा होईल, कम्प्लीट होईल. आलं लक्षात? तर ही आपली झाली होती WH वर्डची ऍक्टिव्हिटी, ज्याला आपण म्हटलं होतं क्वेश्चन फ्रेमिंग ऍक्टिव्हिटी. उद्या आपण काय करू, प्रत्यक्ष कवितेला सुरुवात करू आणि पाहूया की कवीला कोणकोणते प्रश्न त्याच्या मनामध्ये आहेत जे त्याला आपल्याला त्या उत्तरामधून शोधायचे.